Morning, guys. We're gonna go ahead and be on our way to actually wash the car. You know, it's been, as you can tell, it is snowing out here, as you can tell. It's my car is filthy. Look at it. My car is filthy. It has a little salt on it, and it's actually its first snow that it's seen, so it's kind of disappointing seeing it out here, not in a garage. But my buddy's gonna let me stay in his garage, but his garage was full, so that didn't happen. So it's been staying out here. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and go give her a little bath, and then after that we are going to probably head to aftermarket shop here that they have, and I'm gonna see if I can try to get some headers for the car, because do got big plans for the car. So we're gonna go ahead and see how everything's gonna go with that. So I'll catch you guys at the car wash. Literally, the car wash is packed. Like, I'm not even joking. So I'm just gonna wait for another day to actually wash the car. Yeah, people can't drive around here either. It's kind of ridiculous, but yeah. I'm just gonna say this for a different day, because this right here is definitely yeah, definitely pretty crazy. Yeah, so yeah, I'm out. I'm leaving. I mean, my car needs wash, but it doesn't need wash this bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if that aftermarket shop is open. They said it was, so we're gonna go check it out, see if it really is or not. But I'll get in touch with you guys here in a little bit. All right, guys, the shop is closed here. Apparently, online it said they're open, so they need to change it. Well, right now we're on our way to see my buddy Brandon. He's actually at work right now, but I'm gonna stop and get a couple of shots of his car. It's actually pretty nice. I like it. Even though it is an EcoBoost, it is a V6. It's not a V8, but hey, you know what I'm saying? He's still making it his dream car. So we're gonna go over there, say what's up to him, and then probably try to come back to the car wash to see if the car wash is not so packed. I'll probably have to come when it's freaking dark out just to wash my car, but that's what it takes. Is what it takes. And then I'm probably gonna get home with my buddy so I can park it in his garage, because I'm done with all this snow and salt on my car. But we're gonna head over to Brandon's right now, and we're going to see how everything's going. All right, so see y'all in a little bit. Guys, we're here at Vermilion Chevy, and this is my buddy Brandon right here.
What's up? What's up? What's up, everybody?
This right here, this is 2016 Mustang that I was telling you about.
This right here is nothing special, guys. Don't worry.
I mean, nothing special. I mean, that's definitely a lip on that tire. You know what I'm saying? It is a little dirty, but like
life, you already know.
That's right. That's right. I get that Stales life. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, car wash was full. We will go wash our cars, so it's gonna be a different story when I get our cars washed, okay? But
much needed.
Yeah, for real. I mean, it is dirty, but it is nice still. You got that EcoBoost, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing wrong with a little V6, you know what I'm saying? Especially one that has a turbo in it,
Yeah, ain't no V8, no 5.
Ain't
Oh well.
sitting in the Z01 now.
Yeah, brand new Z01.
Brand one, still smell that fresh car. I'm gonna get in my car and hopefully it transfers, because you know,
sticks on the clothing a little bit. I mean, you're wearing the right thing.
I
right?
know, man. I feel like John Cena over here. You can't see me.
John Cena. Where he?
But yeah. So, that black, you know, RS over here, man. The red line package, right?
Yes,
like,
sir.
I like the accents actually on it with the Camaro, right on the Camaro, and you got the red on the rim, and you got the red on the front. But that, can you get that just in the V6 or? So
the one we currently have is in a V6, but they do offer in the V8. That one in particular, nice thing about red lines is they got so many distinctive features. Not only is the red emblems, but you know, they got the blacked out tail lights. You know, they got the red front fascia grille, things that make it distinct and stand out. Uncomparable to other Camaros. So I wish we had one in V8, because it would definitely be sticking out and running around the streets looking a lot cooler than that V6. And we are at Brandon's job right now. He does work at Vermilion Chevy. So if you are in the Vermilion County area, you should actually come over to your local Vermilion County dealer here in Tilton and ask for Brandon right there. Okay. Respect. So, and it's kind of funny because I have a Mopar. He has the I got a Ford. The Ford, and he works at a Chevy dealership. And we're sitting in the Camaro. And we're sitting in the Z01 Camaro. So that's ironic, but hey, we're here. Car enthusiasts bring everyone to the weirdest places. That's right. That is very true. We're in a Chevy. That is true. So, I wanted to sit in the Z06, but that's an expensive car. Hey, it's a drop top. I mean, they couldn't hear us, so we did this for you guys. Drop top. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah. Other than that, so the red light comes in the V8s as well. Apparently, you can only get it in black. Black only. Black only, but it does look good. That's what you want. You get the red accents on the car. The Z01, this thing nasty. I like the blue on it, man. The blue on it is there's actually a new blue that they introduced. It's like electric blue, I think they call it. Let's check right here real quick. Price tag. Hyper blue. I'm sorry, Chevy. It's called Hyper Blue Metallic. Chevy exclusive. That just doesn't sound awesome. Like, yeah, it just sticks out, man. Like that name, like, you just rolls off your tongue. You're like, ooh. It rolls off the tongue. Hyper blue. But yeah, it's like, what color is that? Hyper blue. Hey. But other than that, yeah, it's I mean, honestly, I wouldn't mind having one of these, but I had a hard time getting in the dang thing. Yeah. Oh yeah. So, we had to mess with the seat a couple times and get them in, but But I mean, I don't know if that's supposed to say anything about me. It's small though. Like, you notice right here, it kind of shrinks in. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. I feel enclosed, but yeah, it is nice. It's a racing car, a performance vehicle. So I mean, you definitely get your money's worth of something like this. Oh, yeah. I mean, this is definitely a track car, not a drag strip car. Now it's a track car to go run the circuit track. It is. It is nice. Yep. Down in Vermilion Chevy, we actually have the most horsepower in the showroom, so come check them out for yourself. We're talking well over 1,500 horse to 2,000 horse in just 4 cars. So come by and check them out. We got them all. Just that terrain alone pushing at least 650. Terrain, bro. 650. You started with that SUV. Hey, man. Hey, but ain't nothing like the Dodge SRV with the SRT. Oh, man. He coming here already with that. I'm just saying. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we ain't bring up the demon, but it's okay. We're not doing that. We're not bringing up the Hellcat. Get the ladder chain. It's you know what? Hey, it is what it is. It is. Yeah. So I do appreciate Brandon and his sales manager for letting me film the cars, coming in here, sit in the car, talk a little bit about them. You know what I'm saying? Definitely. So not a problem. Come down here. You know what I'm saying? Show them some love. Go ahead and. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you can for me, please. Be right here for you. And or over there. I don't know where. It'll be somewhere. I don't know. It's gonna be on this screen. So it's very, very true. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification button. Post a comment in the bottom. And I try to answer them as I can. Hit that like button too. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Don't forget the like button for sure. Not this. It's this. Okay. Don't forget. And you know what I'm saying? Come up here and show them some love. Go ahead and show the page some love. All right. So.
We rise so high above the rest, so close your eyes and lose your breath. Our hearts collide, beat through our chests. We're so alive, we're here at last. We're here at last. Oh, we're here at last.
Alright guys. A little funny story here. I know it's dark, so a lot of you probably bad, but As long as you guys can hear my voice, it's all good. I was actually trying to edit the video so I could put it on YouTube, and my computer took a crap on me, so great, now I gotta go get another one. So yeah, that's what I'm on my way to do, is to get another computer. Alright guys, I went and got my computer. Yeah, whenever I plugged another one in, you know, it like went completely black. So then after that, I was like, you know what, let me unplug it, plug it back in, still nothing. Took the battery out, you know what I'm saying, tried to do all that, and still nothing. So called the service line tried to help me, didn't happen with them either. So like, you know what, broke down, trying to get I went and got a computer. I mean, I needed a new one anyway, so I went ahead and went and got one. But it is kind of messed up that I was trying to do my video and wanted to crash on me that time. So right now I'm at the gas station, about to fill a car up, and then I'm gonna be headed home. But yeah, main thing I'm gonna do with this channel is I'm trying to push my car to 1,000 horsepower. So what I'm doing is I want y'all to go along the ride with me, you know, building it. I want to try to do as much as I can myself when it comes like tuning, putting the cam in, you know, putting the Pro Charger on it, and then, you know, like seeing the heads. I'm gonna leave that to a professional, you know. I don't want to get in that and mess anything up. But when it comes to like putting headers on, when it comes to like doing gauges, when it comes to, you know, stuff like that, and I'll do that stuff, you know, like putting, you know, hood on, a new hood, trying to wrap it myself, you know, just because I like trying stuff before I actually have to take it and have somebody professionally do it, because then that just makes me feel more better about my car when somebody gives me a compliment. So my thing of it is that's why, you know, one of the reasons I'm creating this channel is so I can, you know, either get your guys' input on things that I can do, you know, or things that you guys have done to your cars, and just, you know, see how you guys like it. When you guys met Brandon, he actually has his own like photography like group that he does. Like, he does photography, and if you go check him out on Instagram, then you will you'll see some of the photos he has done. They're actually pretty good. I'm gonna have him do a couple of my car, and you know, I'll put the picture here in the video. But so yeah guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and end the video here. Like I said, go ahead, subscribe, you know, hit the notification button, leave a comment down, like the video if you liked it, and I'm gonna keep them coming. I'm gonna try to do 2 to 3 a week, you know what I'm saying, keep you guys on your toes. Which I also do got a surprise for you guys in March. If you guys are with me that long, the dealership, supposed to be something coming into that Chevy dealership in March. I'm not going to let you know what it is because it's a surprise. So let's see if you guys get excited as I got whenever they told me what it was. So just, you know, hang out, do your thing, and go show some love, all right?